This is Scott Lanson. This is Cody. And it's February 20th, 2022. And we just want to say hello and happy whatever day it is today. Well, I'll just get over here. Should I get over here? Well then, where do you want me standing? I'm telling you, it's always something. It's either stage left or stage right. So, do you want to be on stage left? All right, I'll go to stage right. No, I'm on this side then. Is it this side? Okay, well you stay there. Who's that? Who's that right over there? Right over there. Is that a cookie? Over there's a cookie. Oh, no.